If you want to find out the ID of your page or post, there are a couple of ways you can find out. The first one is to go inside of your pages, and when you hover over one of the pages on your bottom left corner, you will see a URL, and inside of that URL you have a post equals with 3. So the ID of this page is 3. The second one is to actually go to edit this page, and in the address bar you will see the same thing, post equal with 3. So the ID of this page will be 3. Another way that you can find out the page ID is to open the page and bring up the source of the page. Either you can right click and view page source, or you can click Ctrl U, or if you are a Mac user, Command U. And look for the body tag. To do that, you have to press Ctrl F or Command F if you are a Mac user, and search for less than body. And inside of the body tag, you have the class attribute, and inside of the class attribute, you will see page ID 3. So the page ID of this page will be 3. Another way that you can find out an ID of a page or of a post is to install a plugin. And if you go inside of the plugins and add new and search for show ID, you'll see a lot of plugins that will do that. So for the sake of this tutorial, we'll install this one and activate. And now when you go under pages, you'll see another column called ID, and next to it you'll see the ID of each page. And if you go to posts, it will be the same. The ID of a post or a page is really useful whenever you are trying to target that post or page inside of a plugin or inside of your theme or a filter or something else. If you want to learn more about plugins, watch this video.